Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this new Pamper, and it contains 76 this baby diapers. These are pen style, it's written over here, these are pen style. Up to 12 hours of dryness they'll give to your baby. And over here, this is a 6 number diaper, which means your baby should be above 16 kg. So this is how there are so many sizes. The last one is 6. I'm now using the 6th one. Earlier I have used all of these, and that is really nice that they have mentioned the kg, the weight of baby, and as per that you could purchase these. So this is how you can carry. You can see over here there is a hole to carry it easily for you. And let's open it. Let's not waste much time. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, there is one package as well as the another one. So these both, this one contains 38, that one also contains 38. And now I'm gonna open this one for you people and show you how big it is, or how much it could carry and all that thing. So here comes the diaper. This is how the diaper is. I like Pamper because the elastic which they have used is very comfy. The baby doesn't feel that much of tightness. These are very nice. They have mentioned that this comes in front and this one is at back. There's one kind of sellotape which you could use to stuck or just to wrap it around. So this is quite a big size, and this is the last size, and it's very nice. After that your baby has to learn to pee in washroom. But I would say I have used the Baby Joy also earlier, and this is the best, I would say. I didn't like that one. It is the elastic is very tight and it's not even comfortable. It gave rashes to my baby. So I would say please go for Pamper. The baby's safety and skin, that is more important, not the price. So please purchase Pamper. Pamper is the best. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.